Hey guys, Vakas here. What if your iPhone is on silent, do not disturb is turned on, and the one person you actually need to hear from calls you? You might never hear the phone ring, and you don't have to turn off silent mode just to prevent that. There's a useful iPhone setting that lets one specific person break through silent mode and focus, while everyone else stays silent. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Find the person whose calls you never want to miss. This could be your spouse, your child, a parent, or anyone who may need to reach you urgently. Open their contact, then tap Edit. Now tap Ringtone. You'll see an option called Emergency Bypass. Turn it on, then tap Done. That's it. From now on, when this person calls you, their ringtone can play even when your iPhone is in silent mode. It can also allow their call to get through when certain focus settings are preventing other notifications from disturbing you. But there's one important thing you need to know. Emergency bypass for calls and messages are separate. So if you only enable it under ringtone, their calls can break through, but their text messages may still remain silent. If you also want to hear messages from this person, go back into their contact, tap edit, then select text tone. Turn on emergency bypass there as well. Now their calls and messages can both get your attention, even when your iPhone is normally keeping everything quiet. And if you only enable emergency bypass under text tone, their messages can get through, but their calls won't necessarily bypass silent mode. So if there's someone you absolutely don't want to miss, it's better to check both ringtone and text tone. One more thing, don't turn this on for every person in your contacts. The whole point is to keep your phone quiet while making an exception for the people who genuinely matter. Otherwise, you'll end up defeating the purpose of silent mode in the first place. Once you've enabled it, put your iPhone into silent mode and ask that person to give you a test call. You can also have them send you a text message just to make sure everything is working the way you expect. It's a small setting, but if there's one person whose call you absolutely cannot afford to miss, this could be one of the most useful settings on your iPhone. If you think someone you know should have this enabled, send them this video. And if you found this tip useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more simple iPhone tips and hidden settings. I'm Vakas, and I'll see you in the next one.